Hi, we recently bought this micro USB from Amazon. This is for phones, so you can connect it to your phone as long as you have a USB-C input. So let's open this up and see what it's like. It's of course really tiny. And this one is 256 GB. So that's a good size. You can see here it's packed well. I had to give them an OTP code, so the delivery is really safe, that they're not going to just drop it at the security guard or something, so no worries about that. And here it is. It's quite small, which is nice. These come in 3 colors. I think you have black, and of course you have the mint, and there's also a peach option. You can just connect this part to your phone. I'll just
It's 256 GB.
you can see that here.
Yeah.
And if your laptop has a USB-C connection, you can use it with your laptop as well. So it's really good, especially for people who have both a laptop and a phone that has a USB-C connection.
I chose this light turquoise color so that if it is lost, I can figure it out, find it out easily. So this color I chose. There were a rose gold also and some other white also, but I purposely chose this because if it is lost, it will stand out easily and I can find it easily. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe because without the subscribers we cannot go long.
And we plan to do more unboxing videos, so stick around and make sure you hit the bell notification.
And these are all self-paid. These are not sponsored or something like that. These are all things which we purchase for our use. So please at least like and subscribe. Thank you so much.